Hey, it's Josephine from the Pointe shop. We are reacting to Ballerinas in the Wild. Fun fact, it's not illegal to wear a costume to the grocery store. I was just saying this. Illegal to wear a costume for the grocery store just to make shopping fun? I mean, that's fair. That's so cute. Gainer Minden. The fact that they let you in, now I want to do it. Mom hack, tap shoes are a great way to never lose your... Oh my gosh, everyone else would be so annoyed. Oh, but she's so cute. Can you imagine at Disneyland just tapping around? How to spot ballet dancers at the airport. Point shoes in their carry. That's me. Unnecessary turnout. You cannot not. Wrapping their... You know, when you're in New York and you're just in the subway, you see dancers all the time, like repping their ballet companies. Watching the rehearsal footage. Pointe shoes on display. Guilty, I've done this just because it didn't fit into my carry-on. Attention ballerinas reported. Oh my gosh. This is next level.
Oh my gosh.
This is next level.
This must be an empty airport, yo. Like, where are we doing this? This is not SFO because there would not be enough space to do this. This is amazing. The entire freaking company, are you joking? They're so in sync. Like, who's playing the music? Like, how are you guys all together? Oh my gosh.
Hi, my name is Alex.
Slay.
Uh-huh. You want to catch a jelly honey yourself? Okay. Thank you so much.
Please tell me that was a real order. That's amazing.
We'll see you from the door.
It's so good. You live with a ballerina. I know that some people just have loose ligaments and they can do this, but like, it still scares me. This is... No. Yeah, everything cracks. Okay, this is true. Casual. That dog is like not even phased. Ballerinas in the supermarket. Oh my gosh, she actually wore pointe shoes to the supermarket. Oh my gosh, this is a Korean supermarket. Where are you? What? I actually can tell when there's a dancer walking by. I used to have everything in my store. I had like leotards and tutus and tap shoes and all of that, but you can tell when it's a ballerina walking in because they walk in like this. Oh, I saw this girl. If you haven't seen it yet, I was not expecting this. This is so casual. So casual. Watch, watch, watch. Look, she's like looking around. I was like, what are you doing? Look at this. This start? Perfect. I am so impressed by how she doesn't travel at all. Look at her. It looks like she's just on a loop. She's perfect. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Like the moment she started off, I was like, what is happening right now? Yeah, it's so casual. Oh, ooh. I kind of love those slippers. Look at this turnout. This is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the set design, the shoes, the dancer. Oh my gosh, this is so good. What is this from? What is this from? This is gorgeous. Like everything about it. This is amazing. Okay, I love Ballerinas in the Wild. If you guys want to submit more videos like this, if you want me to react to more videos like this, leave it on the comments. I'll see you guys later.